In this video, I am going to teach you how to create AI music with any language. I will also teach you the free AI tools that will make the music lip sync.
Now, the first thing you will do is to come to ChatGPT. So we want ChatGPT to write lyrics for us for this song. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to write. So I'm just going to drop this prompt for ChatGPT. Write a full 1 minute music lyrics for me in Benin language. So I'm going to be using Benin language first. So I'm just going to drop this prompt with ChatGPT and let ChatGPT write the lyrics for us. So now this is the lyrics that ChatGPT just wrote for us. So I'm just going to copy this. So I'm just going to copy it. I just copy all the lyrics. So now we are going to turn these lyrics into a Benin gospel song. Now once you are done, the next thing you are going to do is just to copy all the lyrics. Now if you stay to the end, I'm going to teach you how you can lip sync the music. So I'm going to be using a free AI tool. It's not going to be paid, so it's free. So just stay to the end. I'm going to teach you how I did everything. So I'll just go to the next app we are going to be using. Now the next app we are going to be using is called Suno AI. So we're just going to let it load. Now once it's finished loading, you are going to come to this place. You will see where they wrote simple and custom. So you will click on that custom. We are going to be using custom. Now this other place where you see audio, personal and inspo. So for this audio, let's say you want to upload, maybe you have a voice that you already record, so you can use this upload. So if you want to record, let's say you just want to start afresh, let's say you want to record, so you can click on this record. So let's say you want to use record, so we can click to this record. Now we just want to record a song in our language. So let's see how it's going to be. So we are still going to drop that lyric. So in case you want to record the song directly with your voice, so let's just record the song. Now instead of recording here, I will just click on this upload. Then I will just go over to my sound recorder here. Then I will click on record. Now this is the song. So I'm just going to go over to Suno AI. So this is the song we just recorded. Then we are just going to click on it. I'm just going to go back to Suno AI. Now I just uploaded the recording that I just did. So you can either do it like this or you record directly from here. So I'm just going to click on save. So I'm just going to allow it to load. Now all I'm just going to do is to click on it. So I'm just going to click on it and drag it here. So I'm just going to drag it here. Now I'm just going to come over here and select style. So I'll just go over to select any of these styles that I want to use for the voice. So let's just choose this. Let's see what it's going to give to us. Then we'll just come over to advanced. Then we'll come over to advanced. Just place all of this in 100%. Now we are going to come to this down part and click on create. So once we click on create, we are just going to let it load. So once you look at them, you see that they are loading. So it means the songs are creating. So I'm just going to let them create before we listen to them. Now you see, once you are done, you can just save it if you are okay with it. So if you are not okay with the voice, you can change the style. So the next one is for us to drop our prompts. So this part is for the one that we recorded. So the next one is for us to drop our lyrics. Now this is the lyrics that we copied. We are just going to drop it, going to paste it. Now we are going to look for different styles that we can use for this. So we're going to look for different styles. So let's try this trance first. If it's not okay, we can come back and edit it later. Now we'll go to these advanced options. Now when you get to these advanced options, remember to select either male or female. So I will choose female. Now you come to these ones that you are seeing 50%. So you just, this style influence, you increase it to 100%. Now once you are done, you just come down here and click on create. Now you can see the songs here. You can see the songs here. So they are loading. We just wait for them to create. Now you can see that I edited some of the styles because I did not like what the songs that it was given to me. So I changed it from other styles to Nigeria gospel because I wanted to give me that gospel kind of song. So we are just going to play it now, listen to, because it gave me two. So I'm just going to play it and see what it gave to me. Let's play the first one. So this is the second one. So you see, this is it for the recording. So if we want to use our lyrics like the one we copied from ChatGPT, if we want to use it, let's save this one first before we go over to ChatGPT. So to save it, you just click on the song, then you come to download, then you click on download to download it. So MP3, so just click on MP3 audio. So we are going to allow it download. And you can see it has downloaded to our device. Now we are just going to delete this. Now we are going to copy, leaving every other thing. You are just going to paste the one that ChatGPT wrote for us before. So we are going to go back to copy it. Now we are just going to paste it here. Then we are just going to, we've already set all these things before, so we just go over to create the song. Now you see that it's loading from this place. So you see, so you're just going to save the song, then we'll move to the next step. So note that if you are using if you want to use all this song for commercial purpose, you need to pay. But you can do it for free if you are not using it for commercial purpose. So if you are using it for commercial purpose, they are going to give you copyright. So you have to pay for the pro plan. So now we are just going to go over to Pinterest. We are going to search for picture. Now we just search for Edo female attire. So let's just search on this. Let me see if I add with, okay, let me just say singing. I don't know, but let's just see what is going to give us first. Now I think I will choose this one. Now I think I will choose this. I'll just choose this. Click on download. Now we're going to go over to ChatGPT. Once we get to ChatGPT, we're just going to click on this plus button, click on photos. Now we're going to bring back the photos. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write a prompt for me. Write a prompt for this picture. This picture. Let me just put the other. Okay, I cannot even add more pictures. Okay, write a prompt for this picture. She is holding a mic with one hand singing. So I'm just going to tell ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to create. Now see what ChatGPT created for us. So see what a reggae African woman dressed in a traditional Edo bridal attire, wearing an elaborate coral bead crown, layered coral bead necklace. So this is it. So I'm just going to copy this, then I'm going to take it to the app that is going to create the picture for us, because we don't want to use that person's picture. So we're just going to copy it, then take it to the next app. Now we're going to use Gemini first, then we are going to paste it here. So let's paste it. Let's see what Gemini is going to give to us. So see what Gemini gave to us. I don't really think I like this, but I will just save it. Then I will go over to another app, which is Grok. Let's see what Grok is going to create for us. Now, once we get to Grok, we're just going to paste it, and let's see what Grok will create for us. Now see what Grok created for us. Like, this Grok is always amazing. So we're just going to choose from this. Now I'm just going to download this. Just going to download it. Then we'll move over to the next app that we're going to be using to lip sync. Now once you sign up, they are going to give you free credit. So we are going to be using the free credit right now. Now we are going to come over to this talking avatar. Now we are going to come over to talking avatar. So now we are going to come over to this other side where you saw where they wrote lip sync tools. Then you are going to come to singing photo. After the talking avatar, just scroll down, you see singing photo. Now you are just going to come down. Then you upload your image. So you're just going to upload your image, then click on this singing photo 10. Now you come over to this place and upload your audio that you want to use. Now you click on it, you look for your audio that we've downloaded. So you come to download. Let's see if we'll get it here. Then you're just going to let your audio load. So you are going to compress it because you can only put 40 seconds audio in this place. So I'm going to do another video on how you can compress your audio from Suno into 40 seconds. So now let's click on generate so that we can generate it.
So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one.